What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live with another real crypto talk. Today is February 28th, 2021, and we're going into March Madness. So let's jump straight into the markets and see what's going on. Coin market cap is down quite a bit, $1.354 trillion. 128 billion over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin's dominance at 61%. Let's look at the top winners for the past 24 hours. Flow up 2.7%. Tether, DAI, US, all of the stable coins are loading up. So people are moving their funds out of alts and into stable coins. Pretty much. Let's look at the top losers. See what's on sale right now. YB token is down 20%. Pancake swap down 19.39%. IOST is down 19%. Horizon is down 16%. Raven coin is down 16.20%. OKB down 16%. PoonDX is down 15%. Man, it's on sale, folks. Holo Hot is down 15.49%. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes, just to educate and give you guys some real talk perspective when it comes to cryptocurrency. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get into some of the headlines. Dogecoin hasn't always been a fun meme coin in the headlines. Bitcoin sell-off over. Strong buy to dip signal flashes for the first time since September. Might want to keep your eyes on that. It says here Bitcoin is retesting the key support level at 44K, 45K for the third time in the past week. So hey, 1, 2, 3 money for those of you that are that are students of ours over here at iCoin Pro. For those of you that need some free training on how to trade cryptocurrencies, you definitely want to join us. Once again, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications. Professional traders need a global crypto C, not hundreds of lakes. Crypto C, very popular marketplace. Inverse Finance seizes tokens, ships code, launches stablecoin lending protocol. Lending is huge in this space, folks, so make sure you get educated on that. 3 reasons why Refinance, Bridge Mutual, and Morpheus Network are rallying. DeFi stuff, folks. Huge marketplace. Bitcoin plunges, Ethereum suffers, Musk loses billions, hodlers digest February 21st through the 27th. Nice little art there. The bullish Bitcoin option strategy lets traders speculate on Bitcoin price is in the news. What else is in the news? Let's look. See, Robinhood expects to pay 26.6 million FINRA fine over Wall Street bets GameStop furor. Bitcoin falls below 44K as crypto prices continue to slide. Canada's Bitcoin ETF cools down following explosive launch. That is a big deal. We will be super excited when the United States finally allows an ETF here in the States. LSE economists, you don't want to live in a world where Bitcoin succeeds. Fear, FUD. Folk create all kind of stuff, man. Folk will say any damn thing to drop the price, right? Ecstasy, CEO Bitcoin not ready to become means of payment. What? Uh, huh? You know, we can already pay for things in Bitcoin. Anyway, and let's go to the main story of the day. One of them, anyway, that I wanted to highlight. Coinbase stock continues to rise ahead of public listing. For those of you that don't know, Coinbase is going to be on the stock market. So they are heading to be public right now. Since Coinbase posted its S1 regulatory filing Thursday, pre-listing shares on FTX are going up in price. In brief, Coinbase dropped details of its public NASDAQ listing on Thursday, the exchange has shares listed on crypto derivatives trading platform FTX. I do trade there. It's a pretty cool exchange. Those shares, which give people the chance to invest ahead of the public listing, are going up in price. Crypto exchange Coinbase pre-IPO shares have continued to rise on private markets following the release of its S1 regulatory filing on Thursday. The shares, which trade under the ticker CBSE, were up 2.41% at the time of writing, trading at $395 on crypto derivatives trading platform FTX. About a month ago, the share was just worth $272. So the price has risen 45% in the past month. But just 71,628 worth of CBSE has been traded in the past 24 hours, according to FTX data. FTX, the crypto trading platform run by billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, allows people to invest in Coinbase before it goes public on the NASDAQ. To do this, it's issued a pre-listing futures contract market. Coinbase shares will debut on the NASDAQ in the coming weeks through direct listing. Right now, there is also a secondary market for Coinbase stock on the NASDAQ private market. This means those with vested equity, such as Coinbase employees, can trade shares ahead of the public listing. It isn't currently clear how much the private stock is going for. Decrypt asked NASDAQ for the data, but hadn't received a reply by the time the story went live. But the block last week reported that shares had a settlement price of $373, valuing the firm at $100.3 billion. There has been a lot of hype around the Coinbase public listing. The price of Bitcoin shot up from 50,447 to a high of 51,982 immediately after Coinbase released the financial details of the listing on Thursday. And that's right around the time I went into a trade that I'm currently down about 30, 40, 50% in, that I'm still in. But I'm a seasoned vet. I already know what time it is. In fact, I just extended my liquidated price out, lowered my margin level on that. So I feel comfortable about the levels on which I'm going to be talking about here in just a second. But anyway, this is huge. We just sometimes we get overexcited. Trading can become emotional, but I'm a professional trader, so I don't trade with emotions. And I did the other day, and then I got caught up in it right now. So on one of the exchanges I love to trade on. I just think that's funny though, thinking about this story and when it came out and what I did emotionally. I made an emotional decision to go into the markets. Anyway, after I had just closed out a position, winning big on that particular trade. Anyway, the document filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission showed that Coinbase has been doing extraordinarily well. The exchange made a $322 million profit on revenues over the $1.2 billion last year, thanks to the Bitcoin bull run. Not bad considering the company posted a $30 million loss just 1 year before. How quickly things can change in crypto. I want to put this on your radar real quick. Here are 6 DEX tokens that have seen exponential growth in 2021. These DEX tokens are quietly accruing triple-digit gains as the total value locked in DeFi reaches new highs each week. DEX is a definance exchange, for those that don't know. I'm not going to read through this. I'm just going to highlight the DEXs that they're talking about. One is Uniswap. Again, do your own research. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just sharing with my audience. Might want to put these up on your radar. Okay. Sushi. I've been dodging sushi, man, but you know what? The more I look at it, the more I study it, the more I participate in it, the more I realize that, man, this is a nice protocol. This is a nice um, project, and it's definitely worth at least taking a look into. Oh, for those of you that don't have Brave browser, see that ad just popped up. I click on it, and that's just money in the bank. Just wanted to show you guys that one of the beautiful things about Brave is that you see this little thing right here. It keeps all these cookies. It shows you all of the shields up, for blocking all of the trackers and ad blocks and so forth. Blocks a lot of ads, unwanted ads to pop up on your screen. So make sure you download the Brave browser and capitalize on that. In fact, they're doing some great things under the ticker symbol BAT, Basic Attention Token, but they're connected to the Brave browser. Just wanted to throw that out there. Anyway, sushi, yeah, sushi, cake, pancake swap. I have recently become a fan of this because it's on the Binance Smart chain, and I tell you, folks, this is a beast. You know, on so many levels. On so many levels. One, because it's cheap. Two, because you can maneuver around for cheap and get in on some big moves, and you can do some DeFiing. You can do some farming, some all that good stuff. Stuff I like to share with my clients. But man, definitely get into the DeFi game, folks. It's a huge, huge, huge market, and it's definitely going to change the game. SRM Serum, put that on your watch list. Linear Finance, LINA. It's one of those new Binance Smart Chain projects. You might want to keep on your radar. Waves Exchange, it's one of the OGs of the game. Been up on Waves for a while. Got a nice bag of Waves. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to mention those on the D apps. And finally, I want to let's look at the chart. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. We're in a downtrend, as you can see here. And I tell you, one or two things are going to happen here, possibly. I'm not huge on TA, but I know patterns and so forth. Yeah, I know patterns. I know patterns. I know patterns. I know patterns. All right. So, I'm looking at this, folks, and Bitcoin is going to do one or two things. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. In my opinion, though, I think this area of support here is probably going to be the last resort possibility that Bitcoin may possibly come down to this 41,000 level. And from there, I believe it's going to, continue back up on its path because you know why it's so one of the reasons why it's so much institutional buying right now. It's a lot of buying going on, and in fact, this is on the 4 hour, starting to get a little slight divergence, possibly in the RSI as well as in the MACD. So anyway, yeah, this thing is looking pretty good right now. If you're a newbie into the space and you just bought Bitcoin at, let's say, 47,000, and you're seeing your portfolio like, why is my shit going down right now? Folks, the only way you lose in crypto is if you sell. So don't sell your crypto. In fact, now is the time to be buying these dips and accumulating more Bitcoin. And if you don't have a way to accumulate Bitcoin, one of the powerful ways is trading. I have a few platforms that I'm doing things on quietly that I don't talk about. So if you're a risk taker, hit me up. It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. Trade safely, folks. talk to you guys soon. Peace.